For today's video, I'm showing you how I like to set up for crystallizing my fans for an upcoming service. Right now I'm just making some M-curl volume fans for a set that I'll be doing on Caitlin this week. And the set I'm doing is definitely a unique style I've never done before. And typically when trying any new styles, we tend to lash a little bit slower. So rather than having to focus on direction, application, and handmade volume, I can take one of those steps away by crystallizing my fans in advance so I can focus on the set in a timely manner. And in case you were curious, I'll throw my inspiration photo up on the screen for you to check out. It's an all M-curl set with a mix of slightly open fans and spikes with a pop of blue on the bottom layer. It's gonna be so fun to create. So to prepare myself as best as I can, I'm crystallizing most of my volume fans for the set so I can focus on my symmetry. And if you're not sure what crystallizing is, it's where you create a volume fan, dip it in a small amount of adhesive just to bond the base, and wipe off the excess to cure it. Crystallizing is such a great tool for artists at any experience level. It improves your skills as a handmade artist while also saving you time during your services. Every time I crystallize, I use one of our empty pre-fan trays. It's perfect because it keeps all of your fans in one place for easy access, and it keeps them in a clean environment. And when you're ready to use it, all you have to do is take off the entire strip and place it on your tile. As for my products today, I'm using Lost Artistry's Slim Boot Grippo Tweezer. If you are an advanced or new handmade artist and are looking for a new tweezer to try, I highly recommend this one because of its large sweet spot, fine tip, and the best part about it is it does not require a ton of pressure when gripping your fan. For adhesive, I'm working with Quickie, which is our fastest drying adhesive, curing at 1 to 1.5 seconds. For crystallizing, I definitely recommend working with a faster drying glue because once you bond your base, you need to wait for the glue to fully cure before letting go. If you let go of your fan too soon before the glue is cured, your fan will likely change. Another product I have with me is Glue Gone. If you've ever gotten glue on your tweezers when fanning, you know it's a nightmare to continue making fans because what happens is the glue will block your tweezers from fully closing. But Glue Gone will be your superhero when this happens. All you have to do is dip your tweezers in the product, and you're going to grip the balls with your tweezers. And you want to do this for about 15 to 30 seconds, and this will rid all of the glue off of your tweezers. I like to do this anyways before every service, even if my tweezers are clean, just to make sure there's no debris on there. So once you've used Glue Gone for about 30 seconds, you're then gonna take your tweezers out. All you're gonna do is grab a glue wipe and wipe all of that solution off before using your tweezer. Since I am crystallizing for an entire set, I'm dedicating this whole sheet for Caitlin's M-curl set. And these are all available on our website and they are super inexpensive. To find them, all you have to do is search empty pre-fan tray on the Lost Artistry Lash website, then click right here to buy a 5-pack or a 20-pack. Here I have my lengths organized from 8 to 16. I've written all of my details on each strip so I don't get confused or forget. I write the length, dimension, and diameter at the bottom of each strip, although you can write it anywhere you like. And then when you go to place them on your tile, it will be nice and organized and you'll know exactly what you've done. Whether you prefer to use handmade, crystallized, or pre-made fans, you can always get great retention as long as the application is perfect, meaning the base of your extension is flush with the natural lash and you're using quality products, then your retention will always be amazing. So there you have it. That is my setup for crystallizing my volume fans in advance. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments below and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.